Good morning, children. Do you know what's the current season in India? Yes, it is monsoon or rainy season. Do you know where does this rain come from? We shall learn about it in this lesson. Water is available in nature in three forms. We call solid form of water ice. Water in liquid form is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and even underground. The gaseous form of water is water vapor, which is present in the air around us. The three forms of water are interchangeable. When ice is heated, it converts into water, and if water is heated, it turns into water vapor. Similarly, when water vapor is cooled, we get back water. If water is cooled further, we will get ice. So we understand that these three forms of water are interchangeable. Evaporation. If you heat water kept in a bowl by using a stove, you may notice water vapor coming from the bowl. When water is heated, it gets converted into water vapor. This process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. Evaporation is a natural process which takes place on the earth. Water evaporates continuously from the surface of water bodies like seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. and change into water vapor due to heat supplied by the sunlight. The water vapor formed due to evaporation becomes a part of air and gets mixed up with it. Rate of evaporation. The amount of heat absorbed by water affects its evaporation. If water is heated more, it will evaporate more. In summer season, the rate of evaporation is more because it is very hot. Whereas in winter or rainy season, as the temperature is low, the rate of evaporation will be less. So rate of evaporation depends on heat of the sun. More the heat, more the amount of evaporation. You might have seen your mother putting the wet clothes in sun after washing. What happens to the water in the clothes? Yes, it gets evaporated due to sun's heat. And if it is windy, the clothes dry faster because not only sun's heat but wind also plays an important role in the evaporation of water. Evaporation increases with the increase in wind speed. With the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. Hence, the clothes dry faster on a windy day. Now, let us do a quick recap of what we have learned today. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gaseous form. The three forms of water are interchangeable. Water changes into water vapor on heating. The conversion of water into water vapor is called evaporation. The rate of evaporation depends upon heat of the sun. Evaporation of water is more in summers than in winters. This is your today's homework, children. Write examples for each of the following: three things in solid form, three things in liquid form, and three things in gaseous form. With this, we end with the lesson for today. Thank you.